Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to snag a free trial of Apple Music. If you're a music enthusiast eager to explore millions of songs, curated playlists, and exclusive content without opening your wallet just yet, this guide is perfect for you. Apple Music offers a fantastic free trial, usually 1 to 3 months, giving you full access to its features. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have an Apple ID. If you don't, it's easy to create one. Just head over to the Apple website or use your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to sign up. This is your gateway to all Apple services, including this free trial. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store, it's free. Once you're in, look for the Try It Free button. This is usually front and center on the home screen. If you're on a computer, go to music.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 2. When you click that Try It Free button, you'll be prompted to verify your eligibility. Apple might ask for a payment method, like a credit card, but don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Step 3. Choose your trial length if options are available, and boom, you're in. Start exploring. Create playlists, listen to live radio, or discover new artists with personalized recommendations. It's a music lover's paradise. A quick tip: keep track of when your trial ends. You can manage your subscription in your Apple ID settings under Subscriptions. If you decide it's not for you, cancel before the trial expires to avoid any charges. There you have it. Getting an Apple Music free trial is straightforward and risk-free. Give it a try and elevate your listening experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Apple Music feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.